what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this really cute copper, bronzy, smoky eye. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comment section if you like this look or not. All right, let's get started. So to start off this look, I'm going to apply the Estee Lauder DoubleWear Foundation. I use two shades. First, I apply 5W2 to the center of my face. Then I applied 6W1 to the perimeter of my face. I'm in between my summer and winter shades right now, so I'm combining the two. Next, I set my face with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Again, I have two different shades, NC50 and NW43. First, I set my under eyes by combining the powders. Also went in with just NW43 to cover up my dark circles. Then I set the rest of my face with NC50. I also beat my face with a powder puff to set my T-zone. Next, I'm going to take the black Radiance contour palette in medium dark and contour my face. I use the middle and darker shade. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in dark brown. Next, to start off the eyes, I applied the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I usually set this with powder, but I wanted to have a sticky base for my eyeshadow, so I skipped that step. First, I'm going to take the colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette and use the shade Your Majesty. I applied that to my lid using my finger. Next, I'm going to mix these two medium brown shades from my Tarte Pro To Go palette and apply them to my crease as a transition shade. Also, putting that on my lower lash line as well. Then, using my LORAC Pro 1 palette, I'm going to take the shade Espresso and apply it to my crease. I'm being gentle with this for right now because it's pigmented and I don't want to add too much. I'm going to apply more later though, so hold that thought. Also, putting that on my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to take the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati and apply it to my inner corner and the center of my eyelid. Now I'm applying some black pencil liner to my waterline and my tight line. Next, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line using Espresso. I'm also going to smoke out the lower lash line using those brown colors from the Tarte palette. And now I'm going back in with Espresso to darken my crease. Next, I'm going to make a wing using my e.l.f. liquid liner. Then I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in So Hollywood. Next, I applied the Kiss False Lashes in Peignoir. I highly recommend these. They were only $1.50 at Walmart. Next, I applied the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I focused this on my lower lash line, but I also added some to my top lashes to blend them in with the falsies. Now I'm going to apply some lipstick. I used the MAC X Aaliyah lipstick in Try Again. This is not sold out. You can still buy it. I'll put the link in the description box. But as you can see, it's the perfect nude. So yes, love this lipstick so much. And lastly, I topped it off with the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquid Lipstick in Chocolate Honey. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really nice coppery bronzy smoky eye look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comments if you like this look or not. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!